a low cost, girl. Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this. Oh, all right. So this week has been already a little bit of a beast. Thank God we're halfway through it. So I'm going to tell you what I got. Well, if you didn't see the thumbnail, it's Coach Messenger Tabby 19 Take 2. Remember, we had a flaw. So let me get a thumbnail and then I'm gonna thank the sponsor of this video. Let me see. Let's get a thumbnail. But first, that's how I get in the shower. Okay, here we go. Thanking the good folks of Jeulia. That's right, providing me with fine jewelry all the time at a low cost, girl. So, nice quality jewelry and the price is just right. Okay, here's the thing. Jeulia, you open up your little box. And honey, I'll leave a link for everything, but they have a catalog in there so you can kind of see some other things. Comes with a little bag if you want to present this as a gift. And then you got your little box. You know, accoutrement. So what did she get? It's not a ring this time. Actually, I got some earrings. And y'all know if I don't get a ring, it's either earrings or... Well, no, I've gotten a couple bracelets. I've gotten a lot of good stuff from Jeulia. Stuff that I just wear all the time. I forgot to take my old earrings out because I wanted to sample these for you. These came from Kevin. These little Kate Spade knots. That's what she said. She loves to get knotted up, honey. Oh, God, now she's just saying things. I'm just saying things to be saying them now. No rhyme, no reason. But anyway, yeah, these were the cute little Kate Spade knots that Kevin bought me. But I'm going to take them out because I have new ones. Now, here is what they're going to look like. Let me see if we can focus. Look how cute. Pearls on the bottom and then some little gemstones on the top. So I figured I could wear these all sorts of ways. I figure I could wear the jackets, the little tiny things that come underneath, the little balls, if you will. The only time she wants little balls on her ears. Okay, yeah, and I mean that. I'm talking about no other balls on my ears. Okay, this little thing I figure I can wear by itself. I love that little bar. Just a little bar moment situation type deal. I watch this other girl and this lady and she says that all the time. Ooh, what do you know about fiddling, girl? Oh God, we love a fiddling moment. Okay, here we go. Unless it's this song. Then run. So I got them on. Ooh, girl, yes. I love this. Now there's 3 adjustments on the back so you can move them up. I think I would like to move them a little closer to my earlobe, but I love how these are. And see, I can wear these by themselves. I can wear these 3 or 4 different ways. So I'm very excited. Thank you, Jeulia. These are totally cute. I am going to have my link and a promo code, girl, so you can get a discount on anything at Jeulia. Yes, thank you to Jeulia for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into this. Girl, you know my struggle with the Messenger. I think I unboxed that last week, over a week ago. It had a huge scratch on it. I'll pop a picture up here. Yeah, and the back even had like a little tiny puncture hole. Anyway, I sent it back and Loewe was very helpful. She ordered me a new one. I'm gonna look at it with you. We're just gonna look at it together. Yes. Got your little dust bag. Oh, okay. Looking good. So far, so good. Yeah. Looking good. Okay. Got your dangling C. Ooh. And remember, I tried to open it the wrong way again. Yes, this is fresh. Fresh from the factory, girl. She's freshly packed. You thought I was going to say the F word. I was, but then I was like, this is a family show. Now, this leather will eventually scratch and ding, and I don't think there's any way in the world I'm going to get a perfect, you know, flawless without any imperfections, because you can even see on the back here, there's some striations in the leather. It's a big word. I hope that's the right one, but anyhow, you can see that it's got, but that's just the way I guess the grain and the leather is. It's not really scratched, so it's very smooth back here. This leather is, oh my God, she is giving the vibes. Yeah, so what is it's vegetable tanned leather. So yeah, very susceptible to scratching. If you're going to use the bag at all, it's going to get some beats and bangs, and you know, it's going to go through its paces. So I love it. I think that this is just fine for my needs. I'm definitely going to carry this. I'm going to shoulder this little sucker here. I don't think that I'll crossbody it, although it is long enough to crossbody. I could do it. When are you ever going to say it's long enough to do anything? That's what I'm saying, girl. But don't let these go on sale anytime soon. And if it does, oh my God, don't tell me. Just don't tell me. It's funny when I buy a bag and I unbox it, when it does go on sale, I get tons of messages from people. Hey, remember that bag you paid full price for? She's on sale. I just scooped it up for like $2.50. I'm like, I know, girl. I know, I'm sick. I'm sick over it. But anyway, that Tabby craze again, I think they're just going to go with that forever. They're just going to like, how can we improve on the Tabby every single year and put it down the runway a different way? So this one's the small one. It's a 19. If you are wanting, they say there's limited quantities, but I think there's still some left. I'll link them down below. They did just drop this color in the medium, believe over the weekend or last, maybe Friday or so. I noticed that they popped up on the website. They're like the new one, but it's just like this, only it's, you know, in a medium size. And that might be more to your liking. So I would say get it. I don't know if these will ever hit a sale. They probably will. If I bought it, that's a guaranteed assurance to you. Oh, she gonna go on sale because Winnie bought one at full price. Yeah, laugh yourself all the way to the bank, right? While I cry. But I do love this bag. I do appreciate Loewe for hooking me up and taking back the other one. It just had a little scratch right here, and this one is fine. It's perfect. I love. So thank you again to her. Thanks to the good folks at Jeulia for giving me these so cool earrings. I just love these. Yeah. They're precious, just like all of you. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. So many of you have lately, and I appreciate it so much. If you'll hit the like, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and feelings on anything. We'll just talk about it, girl. Don't forget that next week, so I'm not sure what I have Saturday. I think it's a comparison video of some sort. I won't give it away, but anyway, that's coming up this Saturday. And next Wednesday, we're going to switch I'm going to do a video on Tuesday, and then I'm going to have a live on Wednesday because my guest will be Candy. Candy's love for LV. She's going to be on next Wednesday. Thank you. If everything went without a hitch, Kevin was on yesterday. Such a fun time that was. So yes, next week we're going to flip-flop the video for the live, and I'll do a community post and an Instagram story about it. Okay, that's a lot of stuff to say. All right, guys, until next time, if y'all could do me a huge favor, if y'all see my husband, girl, woo! Don't tell him nothing. Bye. So I did a video with Autumn a week or two, a couple weeks ago. I think it's been now. And it could have been last week. God, time. Never enough of it, but it all runs together after a minute. We did a video that was answering Dell's addiction. Her husband, Mr. A, posed a question, and we sort of took different takes on that question. It was a really fun experience, and we had a good time with that video. But I got a comment from somebody who said, and this totally, I had forgotten all about this moment, but Bill did try to buy me a bag without me seeing it. That happened. It was back when the MKs, the Michael Kors craze was going on. I want to say 2008, 9, 10, somewhere around in there. It's been a while, but I think it was for my birthday, and he found a backpack. I was into backpacks heavy at one point. I just like couldn't see anything else. Give me a backpack, all the backpacks. But anyway, he called and he said, I got a gift for you. I got your present. It's that Michael Kors backpack that you've been wanting. Okay, someone in the comments told me this exact thing happened to them, and I just wanted to tell you guys about it because I forgot about it when we did our gift video. It did not even cross my mind until someone brought it to my attention, and thank you for doing so. But he bought that backpack, but it was in the brown, okay, and it had like a navy trim. It was a nice backpack. It really was, trimmed in leather, and it had the MKs on it. It had been probably about $400. I know, for Michael Kors, what? And he brought it home, and okay, so I will tell you, the one that I had been lusting after and looking at was the white with the MKs, and I still have that backpack to this day. So what happened was he gave me the backpack, and I was like, oh, I love it, and I did carry it because I felt awful. But as soon as we went on vacation one year, I found it at a Michael Kors outlet, and I scooped it right up, girl. I scooped it right up, and then I came home and sold that one. So yes, I have. The sentimental feelings went out the window, and I just said, F it, I'm getting this backpack. So here's my karma for that backpack. It was a very hot day, and I decided to go ahead and put all my stuff in it and carry it around whatever outlet we were shopping at. I can't even remember. It was hot though. And I went into a store, and I was gonna go, I guess, go to the bathroom maybe. And I was like, hold my backpack. And when I started to walk away, all my whole family was like, come back, come back, come back, come back. It was so hot. It had sweated through that backpack, and all you could see was just a wet place on my back where I'd sweated so hard in like 100-degree weather with that backpack. And they're like, put it back on, go to the bathroom with it back on, it looks terrible like crazy. I was like, well, there's my karma, beesh. Oh yeah, and real quick, bag of the day, we have switched into her, loving it. I decided not to use the strap. Oh, crazy, but yeah, I have all my stuff in here now. I switched out of the movie, the Totally bag that I took to the movies, from that bag, and from, hello Meredith, hi, to this wonderful, beautiful, tiny Speedy. And scent of the day is Mongolo. Yeah. Girl, these earrings. I'm ready for my close-up. They are so giving. And is my chin completely gone? It just goes right into my neck, doesn't it? Oh, God, I hate that. Miach.